In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add an image gallery to your hosting or website builder step by step. If you want to showcase photos, portfolio work, product images, or create a beautiful visual section on your site, this tutorial will walk you through everything in just a few minutes. The process is beginner-friendly and requires no coding at all. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the publishing step. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple website tutorials. Let's get started. First, we need to open the Hostinger website builder. Go ahead and log in to your Hostinger account. Once you're inside your dashboard, click on Websites from the top menu. You'll see a list of your hosted websites. Find the website where you want to add the image gallery and click Manage. After that, click on Edit Website. This will open the Hostinger Website Builder editor where you can customize your pages visually using drag-and-drop tools. Now that you're inside the editor, navigate to the page where you want the gallery to appear. You can either add the gallery to your homepage or to a separate page like Portfolio, Gallery, or Projects. Once you're on the correct page, look for the Add Section button or the Add Element option within an existing section. Click on it, and from the list of available elements, choose Gallery. Hostinger provides pre-designed gallery layouts that you can instantly insert into your page. As soon as you select Gallery, it will be added to your page layout. Next, it's time to upload your images. Click on the gallery element and then click Upload Images. A window will open allowing you to select images directly from your computer. Choose the photos you want to display. You can upload multiple images at once to save time. Once uploaded, they will automatically appear inside the gallery layout. After uploading your images, you can fully customize how your gallery looks. Click on the gallery settings to adjust the layout. You can typically choose between grid, masonry, or slideshow styles, depending on the design you prefer. A grid layout keeps everything clean and aligned. Masonry creates a more dynamic Pinterest-style look. Slideshow allows visitors to scroll or click through larger images one at a time. Next, adjust the spacing between images to control how compact or spread out your gallery appears. You can also enable or edit image captions if you want to add descriptions, titles, or additional context under each photo. This is especially useful for portfolios or product showcases. Take a moment to preview how everything looks on desktop and mobile view to make sure your gallery is responsive and visually appealing on all devices. Once you're happy with the design and layout, the final and most important step is to save and publish your changes. Click the Publish button in the top corner of the editor. This will push the updates live to your website. After publishing, visit your live site to confirm that the image gallery appears exactly where you placed it. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized an image gallery in Hostinger Website Builder. It's quick, simple, and completely code-free. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Hostinger and website building guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.